justice systems.
Lieutenant Elder Bruce Starlight has some suggestions for what students could be learning about in this province.
Study of our past, the land, the economics, and your place of belonging in Canada.
Starlight is a long-time education advocate. He says the exclusion and lack of consultation with elders and First Nations in the K-12 curriculum is harmful.
The teachers are not voiced in our cultures and our way of knowing. It's difficult because it's not a required course in any of the teachings. So we're at a, disadvantage because they cannot teach our children about us.
I knew I wanted to challenge the system and change the system.
Tina Starlight is the first Tsuut'ina Nation member to earn a doctorate and is an educator with the Tsuut'ina Board of Education. She says the current curriculum is missing out on having a holistic approach.
It's always segregated. This is science, this is social, but then you create a situation, again, like say taking a teepee and you learn and you teach them how to put it up and it covers your math and your science and your social in one.
University of Calgary education students were invited to take notes at the gathering. Associate Professor David Scott says they are compiling a report for the group to bring forward to the Ministry of Education.
Well, hopefully we can work in partnership. We have some things that we can bring to the table, in terms of how the system works and understanding who are the people to call. So those are the things we help with, but I think this is a First Nations grassroots effort and they need to lead that work.
The province is currently working on a new middle school curriculum for the upcoming fall semester.
I did have an opportunity to have several conversations myself personally with education authorities, with different First Nations organizations and others, and department officials. Also had subsequent conversations, and I know some groups were able to provide some feedback. So if there's more that we can do, I'm always happy to hear their views.
We got to do something, and I guess that's what it is. And if we fail, then we fail our children, our grandchildren.
Terry Trembath, CBC News, Calgary.